Are you looking to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Here are 10 great options for making money online. The internet is a vast space that is filled with numerous opportunities. With over 1 billion sites, the internet offers something for just about every need one can have. While a large portion of the World Wide Web is geared toward entertainment, there are also numerous ways you can use the internet to make money. With the recent global pandemic, working from home is more prevalent and desired than ever. Thankfully, the ability to do so is very achievable. This goes beyond finding a remote position. We have all received emails detailing far-fetched ways of making money through an online lottery, supposedly wealthy relatives from other countries, and more. While some of these can bring in some money, they are not very safe, and the possible money they bring in wouldn't compare to what you would make at a typical 9-to-5 job anyway. However, there are some tangible ways to make money online. This practice is something millions of people do each day. Countless sites provide freelance work, so you can resell merchandise online for a profit and much more. All you really need is an internet connection and the willingness to put in the hard work. Here are some realistic ways to make money on the internet from the comfort of your home. Number 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is the act of selling products to a customer from a retailer, with the retailer shipping the product to your customers on your behalf, so it appears as if the customer is buying directly from you. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping, as it provides users access to millions of products that can be added to your store. There are numerous apps for Shopify dropshipping, with some allowing you to choose product images, edit item descriptions, and more, allowing you to personalize your store and attract more customers. There are multiple tools you can use to make the most out of dropshipping, including running ads on social media platforms, having influencers promote your product, writing blogs promoting your product, and keeping in contact with customers. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other brands. This involves a lot of knowledge when it comes to digital marketing. The better you market the product, the more commission you will make from sales. This includes products, software, apps, and more. Though you may not earn a lot of commission from a single brand, being an affiliate for several brands can bring in a lot of money. Over the last decade or so, affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular and is the preferred way for many when it comes to making money online, as it is a stable way to earn capital on the internet. To excel in affiliate marketing, you need to implement and constantly improve content marketing strategies, such as creating a blog with 10 times content. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Many creators on Google's popular video hosting site make millions and millions of dollars each year. While you may not pull in such high numbers, you can still achieve moderate success and make a living doing something you love. To ensure you enjoy what you are doing and for the best possible results, focus on a niche you are passionate about and stick to it. The YouTube algorithm does not favor channels that upload videos that aren't related to one another, and viewers will only stick around for a short time if you aren't being authentic. While you may not make money at the start of your YouTube career, once you pass the 1,000 subscriber mark, you can begin monetizing your videos with YouTube ads and bringing in revenue. Number 4. Become an influencer. One of the most prestigious ways of making money online is by becoming an influencer. Being an influencer comes with many perks and money-making opportunities that could facilitate every other item on this list. Though not everyone will make enough to retire at an early age, there is still plenty of opportunity, with even small-scale influencers making more money today than just a few years ago. Becoming an influencer involves building a large community that follows you on various social platforms. To make money as an influencer, you can do sponsored posts, create and sell your own products, do affiliate marketing by using your following to make sales, and much more. Number 5. Create a blog. There are numerous places to start writing a blog. There is WordPress, one of the most popular site hosting platforms, Shopify, and more. Writing blogs comes down to using search engine optimization to ensure your blogs are seen. This consists of using very specific keywords and using them correctly, such as the right amount per post, in headings, and more. After focusing on a single topic and keyword, you can expand into other relevant categories to diversify and capture a larger audience. Creating a successful blog will take time, but before long, you can start to add affiliate links to your posts and start making money. Another way to make money through blogs is by selling digital or physical products on your websites. Number 6. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to supplement or replace the income you would make from a 9-to-5 job, except you can do it all online and be your own boss. If you have any skill you feel you can get paid for, you can enter the freelance space and start making money. This includes writing, graphic design, programming, teaching, and much more. The most crucial step to becoming a successful freelancer is to market yourself to reach those in need of your skills. There are many platforms used by freelancers, usually focused on a specific skill. For writers, you can apply for jobs on online writing job boards. There are also general freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Number 7. Side jobs. Side jobs are a great way to supplement the income you make from a full-time job. Side jobs are a great way to earn a few extra hundred each month, with most being temporary, so you can still focus on your 9-to-5 job. Fiverr is a great platform to find side jobs that you can do online. The best way to ensure you can start and continue to make money from these jobs is to charge very little at the start and do a great job. This ensures the person you are working for leaves a review. Building a solid portfolio that shows off your skill and ability to complete jobs is also essential. Number 8. Investing. The most practical way to make money online is to invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, digital assets, and more. The key is to do as much research as possible and familiarize yourself with what you are investing in and how to invest proficiently. Though investing can have a substantial payoff, it can also lead to you losing money. So it is recommended that you never invest more than you are willing to lose. Investing is also one of the best ways to earn passive income, allowing you to continue a 9-to-5 job or try one of the other money-making options on this list while still making money from your investment choices. Number 9. Create custom products. Unlike dropshipping, by creating your own custom products, you will be responsible for the inventory and shipping. While you will need to have some room to hold your products, you will also have a lot more control over the product you're selling, unlike dropshipping. Creating inspired or helpful products will attract customers and help bring in some money. Your product should be unique and not like anything you can get on Amazon or other retail platforms. Though the process can take some time between creating the products, marketing, and becoming established, it is incredibly fulfilling and allows you to be your own boss. There are numerous platforms on which you can sell your products, like Shopify and Etsy. However, it is best that you create your own site to provide a sense of authenticity. Number 10. Create online courses and workshops. Creating online courses and workshops has all the same money-making benefits that come with selling other products online without the cost of delivering the product to customers. The popularity of online courses and workshops has skyrocketed over the last few years because most people want to learn online from the comfort of their own homes, just as you are doing now. However, there is a slew of free courses online, so you have to make sure yours brings the value and expertise that aren't found in the free courses. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to be notified when we release more videos on personal finance, subscribe and hit the notification icon. Thanks for watching. Until next time.